Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to get Google Earth Studio. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. For those who don't know, Google Earth Studio is a web-based animation tool for Google Earth imagery. You can also use it for educational purposes, or if you want to get some shots using drone-like scenes or captures. Now here, as you can see guys, when I open Google Earth Studio website and go to this section right here, how do I get access? As you can see right now, it requires a Google account and currently works in Google Chrome only. And that's why I'm using Google Chrome browser right now. And now to request access, we have to fill in form right here. So I'm gonna click on here. As you can see right now, it shows me this website right here. I'm gonna leave this link or this website right down in the description, or you can simply type here earth.google.com/studio/sign-up/. So now what I'm gonna do right now is to fill in some of my info. As you can see right now, I have filled in some of my info, and now he's asking me how will you use Earth Studio. So I'm gonna type here, for example, to educational purpose, then click on submit. As you can see right now, I have requested to use Google Earth Studio and it says that your request has been approved. And as I said before, you should use Google Chrome browser while using Google Earth Studio in order to avoid unexpected bugs as they typed right here. So now I'm gonna enter the website again and see if I can try this feature or not. Now here, as you can see, it says thank you for trying Earth Studio. I'm gonna click on agree, then click on accept. Now you can easily use the Google Earth Studio. So I'm gonna click on blank project, for example. I'm gonna name it test, for example, then click on start. And here, as you can see right now, you can use the Google Earth Studio and you can zoom in. So now here guys, as you can see, I have now access to try this feature. And I think also they are going to send you back an email for full verification of your account. So try also to follow your email inbox in order to see if they have sent you any email or something that will verify your account. And in the upcoming next videos, I will show you exactly how to do a cinematic scene using Google Earth Studio. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.